Now I am going to teach you about network topologies. So, what is its purpose and how it is useful? But before we discuss on the network topology, first you understand the terms node. What is the node? So a node is a device which is directly connected to a computer network. It can be computer or any other device like printer, scanner, etc. So this is called the nodes. So any device which is a part of a network and that is communicate the data and receive the signals, so it is called node. So I think you all understand about the node. So a node is a device which is directly connected to a computer network. It can be a computer or any other device like printer, scanner, etc. So all these device comes under the node. Now understood the network topology, and you also note down the definition of topology. What is the topology? First you understand about this. So a topology is an arrangement of physical connection among nodes in a network. So this is the definition. A topology is an arrangement of physical connections among nodes in a network. So this is a physical arrangement, means where you will place the computer and in which pattern you want to communicate it, means you will physically where there you will place your device, so it will call the topologies. So we have different types of pattern and each pattern have their own advantage or disadvantage. According to our requirement, can we can arrange our computer, we can final our pattern. So we have different types of topology. So the first topology is a bus topology. What? Bus topology. It is look like a bus. There is a single cable. With this single cable, all nodes are attached. You can see this pattern. It's look like this. So there is a single cable. In this single cable, all nodes are connected. So this is computer, server, other nodes are connected. Clear? And this wire, the single wire is a backbone of a bus. And you can also see there is a terminator. What? Terminator. So what is the purpose of terminator? Actually, when you transmit the signal, so it's move one end to another end. Clear? So the signal should be absorbed with help of the terminator. Clear? So this is the role of the terminator. Now you note down the definitions of bus topology. So first is a bus topology. So in bus topology, all the nodes are connected to a main cable called backbone. If any node has to send some information to any other node, it sends the signal to the backbone. Clear? So you will note this. You will note from here. In a bus topology, all the nodes are connected to main cable called backbone. If any node has to send some information to any other node, it sends the signal to the backbone. Next, a small device called terminator is attached to each end of the backbone. When the signal reaches the end of the backbone, it is observed by the terminator. So you only note down this definition and you also draw the figure. It's look like this. After this, what is its characteristic? What its advantages? You understood its advantage. It's very important. Clear, student? So now you write its advantages or characteristics. So what is the characteristic? It is it is easy to install, means it is very easy in installation. Clear? It's require less cable length. How? Because there is only one cable. With the one cable, all nodes are attached. So it requires less cable length and hence it is cost effective. Failure of a node does not affect the network. If any node has been failed, so our network will be never affected. In case of backbone or terminator fault, the entire network breaks down. So what is its disadvantages? Means if the terminator or our backbone cable has been break, so our entire network will be fail. And their next disadvantage is fault diagnosis is difficult. Means it is not easy to find out the fault, because if any nodes is not working properly, so you have to search that particular node one by one, then you will identify it. So that's why the fault diagnosis is very difficult. At the time only one node can transmit data. So at a time means at a one time only one node can transmit. So these are comes under the disadvantage and this is comes under the advantage. So you note down these all characteristics.